Hey everybody, my name is Ash. I'm an adult librarian at the Alachua Branch Library, and today we're going to make do-it-yourself spice mixes. To do this, you're going to need bulk spices, a blender, and you're going to need a container to put your spice mix into. Today we're going to make adobo. In order to do that, you're going to need a tablespoon each of salt and pepper, oregano, cumin, turmeric, and granulated garlic. After you're done making your spice mix, you can put it in a container of your choosing. I have here a old spice container, a mini mason jar, and my personal favorite, the metal spice tin. So all you do is you take the tablespoon each and you put them in your blender, which I've already done here. You're going to blend it to a very, very fine powder. You can make it a little or less rough depending on what you need. Great. So this is our adobo, and the benefits of making your own spice mixes are that you save a little bit of money because you're buying them in bulk. It's going to be incredibly fresh because you're making it right there, and you have more control over the ingredients, so you could add things like culantro or ajillote depending on your preference. You can experiment with this at home, and you can find recipes in our cookbook collection available through our curbside service and online through Overdrive. Have a great day.